Welcome to the Data Science Internship program, where we are now in Task 3, Customer Segmentation. In this task, I'll segment customers based on tenure, monthly charges, and contract type. Then, I'll analyze churn rates within each segment and identify high-value customers at risk of churning who may need special attention. Skills I'll apply: segmentation techniques, understanding customer behavior, churn analysis within segments, identifying high-value customers. Now, let's dive into Task 3, Customer Segmentation. I'll walk you through how to group customers meaningfully, uncover behavioral insights, and develop strategies to reduce churn and boost retention. Using k-means clustering, we explored how well the data segments with different cluster counts. The silhouette score peaked at 6 clusters, indicating the most well-defined segmentation. From there, we ran the model with the optimal number of clusters and assigned each customer accordingly. The data distribution was relatively balanced across the clusters, allowing for meaningful comparisons in churn and behavior. Next, we examined churn rates within each cluster. Cluster 0, low churn at just 2.85%. Cluster 1, alarming churn at 47.31%. Cluster 2, moderate churn at 20.7%. These differences offer clear targets for tailored retention strategies. We focused on high-value customers, those in the top 25% for both monthly and total charges. Cluster 0, strong retention, only 7.18% churn. Cluster 1, highest risk, with 26.63% churn. Cluster 2, perfect retention, 0% churn. Clearly, Cluster 1's high-value customers need immediate attention to avoid revenue loss. Each cluster reveals unique traits. Cluster 0, long-tenured, loyal customers, likely older, with stable 2-year contracts. Cluster 1, short-tenured, high-charge users, mostly on fiber optic and monthly contracts, showing high churn. Cluster 2, low charges, 1-year contracts, younger customers, moderate churn but lower value. Cluster 1 stands out with a high percentage of senior citizens, almost no long-term contracts, exclusive use of fiber optic service, preference for electronic check payments, and monthly charges between $80 and $100. These flexible, high-demand customers churn the most, suggesting targeted discounts or loyalty rewards may help retain them. We explored what drives churn in each cluster. Cluster 0, weak negative correlations with security and support features, suggesting minor benefits. Cluster 1, stronger negative correlations with tenure and service support, highlighting areas to improve retention. Cluster 2, similar to Cluster 1, with added insights around phone service and dependence. Overall, the weak correlations indicate a need for more advanced modeling and richer customer data. To further enhance our understanding, we propose analyzing the full customer journey: how they discover the service, their initial service choices, any upgrades or downgrades, customer service interactions, and documented reasons for churn. This holistic view can uncover hidden churn drivers and opportunities to improve customer experience. In summary, customer segmentation has revealed powerful insights. We identified both loyal and high-risk segments, analyzed churn patterns, and emphasized the importance of targeted retention strategies, especially for high-value customers in Cluster 1. By combining behavioral insights with a deeper understanding of the customer journey, businesses can make smarter decisions and improve retention. Great job! In this task, we applied segmentation techniques, explored customer behavior, analyzed churn within segments, and identified high-value customers at risk. These are essential steps in any data science project. Stay tuned for Task 4, Churn Prediction Modeling, where we'll take our segmentation insights even further. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.